Alright, in section 3.3b, you're required to configure inter-site calling between Site C and HQ and Site B clusters. Site B router is already configured as a cube router or unified border element, and we are to make sure that inter-site calls are completed through cube router is by dialing 4-digit extensions. For example, when Site C phone 2 dials HQ phone 1 by dialing 2001, vice versa. Call must terminate immediate traffic on R2 and pass the codec, so which is basically codec transparent. It should use G729 codec, and the video call should work between the HQ phone 2 and the Site B phone, Site C phone 2. Now the configuration for that is on my Site C routers. I'm going to have this voice configuration. So to voice service VoIP, allow SIP connection SIP to SIP. Basically this command basically allows any subnet to come in. Under SIP, make sure you have the bind command, and then you have the asymmetric payload full, otherwise your video call will not work through properly. Early offer forced and mid call signaling pass through. Create a voice class codec that enforces the G729 R8 as a first choice, and then H.264 codec, video codec is supported. Create dial pair with the destination pattern 2, 3, so 2 for HQ, 3 for Site B, sorry. Define the RTP payload type for your video calls, session protocol SIP version 2, and then session target IPv4 with the IP address of your cube router. Incoming call number for all inbound call from the cube will land on this particular dial pair 4 ... We're going to use a voice class codec that we created right here, codec 3, and voice class SIP early offer forced. Again, you don't really have to type this, is already done on the global, and DTMF. No VAT is it's not a mandatory, but good to have that. So this is the configuration that you need to put in on Site C router. So I'll go and paste that. So dial pair voice summary. So I should have my dial pair right here for cube. Alright, so